Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Shen karilom Garo kanyo yaka 5-star hotel kaba Nyngkong hapo kathan kum shibanta ban kintiyo yaka kam jungo kai perthei lani ka tourism hapo kathan yakni la pentep da mentri katna tourism u Timothy di Shira bar ulayat hu ru baha ka khat waitrik urumphang ka sarkar kan IT yaka jaka ka badai ka polo orchid tura shaka company ka badai bante yaka 5-star hotel habakran chikla pathai khobor u Timothy uloong baka jaka badan ka polo orchid tura baminta kahe omduna ya ka shi ekar kabala biang palat bantei ya ka 5-star hotel Nyngkong hapo karilom Garo ngila dep ban khot tendar but ya kani ka 5-star hotel on pentrei kum ka public private partnership mode da ka company international hotel group barla shai ka sni ka sarkar kan IT ya kani ka jaka shakane ka company laong u Timothy.
Government is trying to do more development to develop the tourism in the entire state of Meghalaya. And tomorrow there will be a ceremony of handing over the land, which was previously known as this Polo Orchid at Tura. It will be upgraded to 5-star hotel. The tender was invited from the interested company or party, expressing their willingness to develop it in the PPP mode. And the tender committee has settled the work with this already international hotel group. So formally tomorrow the land will be handed over to them. It will be a great step forward to develop the tourism in Garo, I think. So that amount I don't remember exactly, but it will be nearly 40 crores.
The area, how much is?
Area, that also I don't know. Maybe it is 1 acre or 2 acres. Because it's an area covered by the Hotel Polo Tower. How much it is, I don't know. I have not asked also. And exactly I have not seen how big it is also. I had been there, but I have not seen the total area.
So for the sake of...
From airport?
Yes.
From airport to, from nearest airport will be Guwahati now, at present. But once we develop this one, the Barzak airport, it will be how many kilometers? I think 30 kilometers from Barzak airport to Tura. Yes, we are going to construct this tourist lodge at Shiju Kaba also. And we are going to develop this Nakachikong also. Rongmagatal is already allotted to work. And we are going to establish this, what is called Convention Center at Jonglai Rishibelpara at a cost of 23 crores. And Nakachikong at the cost of 26 crores. At the Rongmagatal, it was done before I take over the tourism ministry. So I don't remember exactly. And then this one, Mandalgiri. Mandalgiri also will be taken up at a cost of 26 crores. Or 23 crores, I mean.
No, many tourists come to Nokrak and
Yeah.
Bakrakram. So is there any, are there any steps to improve and...
Yeah, road will be developed. And moreover, I say some projects have been taken up, I think, in this Nokrak biosphere, and this Daribok Creek. Now it is handed over to the community management, and communities now they are taking interest to manage it. They have already circulated a notice also that nobody is allowed to throw the garbage, waste at random. So they are requested to throw the garbage in the bins. And then nobody is allowed to defecate openly. So toilets are also arranged. So like now, the land compensation is to be paid. I think 50 crores has been sanctioned, but money fund has not been placed at the disposal of state government. Central government has already promised to sanction 50 crores for extensions of Baltic Airport. But it may not be possible to extend it to accommodate the landing of this Airbus. Because you see, land available there is very limited.
So what you're saying is smaller aircrafts can land?
Yes, smaller aircrafts, you see, carrying about 70 passenger, 60 passenger. You see,
So will you go for a new airport?
What?
Is the government planning to have a new airport in Garo Hills?
So far, I say there is no such plan, I think, because see, any plan will be done, we say, by the transport department. But now, I think no initiative has been done from the transport department, and no land has been available now. Yes. I think it will be difficult to get a land there to develop a big airport.
Coming back to tourism, there are
Certainly, the helipad will be developed at the headquarters of every district, at the important places, even at Daribokri also, I think helipad will be developed. So that tourism can go. Even to Balpakram also, in a day, they can come up.